Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Gig Economy Talk with Lynn. Now, today's subject is something very interesting. I follow a few pages of people who deal with the gig economy in some fashion or another, and I really agree largely what a lot of them are saying. But there are a few people that are saying something that's a little bit disconcerting to me is that they put independent contractors and some sort of subcategory beneath business owners, and nothing could be farther from the truth. And we're not some sort of subcategory. There are two that are listed. You're either a W-2 worker, which is thanks so much, all you W-2 workers out there, you make the workforce go round, or you are a 1099. Those are the only two categories you have. Now, if you're not employed from the company or by the company in some way, which we are not, then you are a business owner. That's what you're doing. And then let's break down even farther what a business owner is a little further. Uh, Instance about that or example of that is that we provide our own uh, materials. And shot of the company may send out some delivery bags if it's Uber, not Uber Eats, but Grubhub or DoorDash, and then a Postmates sent out a bag. But otherwise, you are providing your own things by way of your own vehicle that you are using in order to complete the task on these apps. And you're not being reimbursed in any way by the company but for fuel. And if there's a maintenance or there's some repair that needs to be done, you are solely responsible for that. You take your money that you make from the business and you put it back into the business. And that would include too clothing and shoes and all that you wear while you are conducting or working at your business. And so that's for one thing. And also, number two, tax wise, the IRS sees you as a business owner if you have a 1099. You use that form in order to file your taxes. And me personally, I have an EIN number, and that is an employer identification number that I have and I use for filing my taxes. And they only give you those numbers if you are a business owner. And I like to read something that has to do with what an employer identification number is. It says the employer identification number, also known as the federal employer identification number or the federal tax identification number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to business entities operating in the United States for the purpose of identification. And so the operative words here are business entities. So you're running a business. I have this EIN number while filing my taxes. I don't use my social security number to do so. And number two, another good point is that if you're not running a business, why do you need to file for a profit or loss form, which is part of your 1099 tax form? What are you profit or loss? Why is that important? is only important because you are running a business. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. And I know these people who say these things, they're well meaning, and they, in many instances, do a lot to help others of us in the gig economy. And I thank them so much for what many things I agree upon and their selfless hours of trying to help others and to navigate through this economy. Now, this may be that this is not where you want to end up doing. This may not be that. It could be just a stop along the journey to a final destination, being somewhere else. Well, and that's fine. But please view it as what it is. It is your business, and we don't want to cause anyone to digress back to a W 2 frame of mind, that they are anything under what they are, and want them to be have the right mind frame, that 1099 business owning mind frame in order to be profitable in their business. So, thank you so much for listening. And before I go, I like to shout out a couple of amazing people. And we have Gig Driver, Gig Driver Comedy. And I really appreciate so much that this person that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. A few of my videos, he has given me so much encouragement. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I also would like to thank Kai that showed up on my particular video dealing with lying customers. And it gave me a very detailed description of what I could do in order to help protect myself in case another particular um, customer claims that they didn't receive their items in some way. So thank you so much, Kai, for that. I will definitely put your suggestions in better use in the future. And thanks again for everyone else listening as well. And I'll give you a shout out if you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate it so much. And we'll see you next time.